All right, so against Brian's own wishes, we're here. The water park. Turns out there's a separate ticket for that if you only bought a ticket for the LegoLand, and it's not included with yours. We have the annual pass, so we have that. My thinking is come here to the water park when it's nice and early, and then let the sun dry me off. I forgot to mention, just in case I forget later, one of the reasons I didn't enjoy the coaster is just anxiety, my anxiety. I was just too anxious on there the whole time, waiting for the next scary thing, which just ruined it for me, unfortunately. So, yeah. So there are 3 locker sizes here. These are the small, these are the medium, these are the large. And yes, every water park has to play the Beach Boys. It seems like they can put a little more effort into it instead of going with a cliche, but they do. All right, now to the GoPro. Let's go on that super intense slide over there. Actually, it's probably a height, maximum height, but so here we are at Raft, which is our lazy river basically, where you grab a tube and it has these Lego bricks on the side of them. I guess some of them do. And as you're going around, there are little pieces of Legos floating in water, and you build them on your raft. Nice theming. So let's check it out. Nothing unusual going on here. Just everyday Brian.
You ready, Dave?
Is it cold?
Yes.
Why? Why is it cold? Why? Okay, not exciting. Seriously. Papa? Papa?
What are you doing?
Trying to get in.
No,
See? That's what I was doing. Oh. Check out my engineering marvel. I can't look at the screen. All right, but Brian, my marble masterpiece. I wanted to go farther.
We are.
Yeah, that's right. We're going down the kids' side. Brian, I don't know. I don't know. Can I do this, Brian?
I'm sure you'll be fine.
Are you sure?
What could go wrong?
But what if there's someone in the way? I don't
There's
know.
nobody in the way. Look, let's go.
Okay. Here it goes. Here it goes. Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Let's see if Brian gets stuck. 1, 2, 3, go! Wait a little. He got stuck on the big boy slides too. Brian broke it. It was shooting water. Ready? Spit. Haha, I flash you. You got wet at water park.
Hey, that's not nice.
I'm a big bully. I'm gonna kick sand on you.
Oh yeah?
Here's the Joker Soaker, which I always like this area. This area over in Volcano Bay is pretty awesome. And I hope we can go down the slides, because that'd be cool. But we'll walk around, try not to get too many kids in the shot, try not to get kicked out of the park for being a guy shooting video in a kids area. Hopefully they're gonna be cool. Wasn't quite ready for that. Yep. Oh my God, it's cold. Why is it so cold? Why do they make these places so cold? It's ridiculous. Let's have fun and be safe. Look at the wave pool. Hi, wave pool. This is fun. Woo! Woo! Hi, I'm talking. This is voice activated. Woo! Uh-oh. Ah! I surrender. I love this part of the water park.
Yeah.
There we go. Mega sploosh. Fun. Have fun. Number 2, be safe.
Yep, there you
Wait,
go.
I got that backwards. Woo! Woo! Got stuck. Uh-oh. Oh, come on, that's no fun. Brian got stuck. I guarantee you I got stuck. Whoa! So, did you get stuck?
No, only a little bit.
I got stuck. Again. How do we get? Oh, there we go. Hold up, wait a minute. Now hopefully I don't get stuck in this one. I got stuck on that one. Only briefly, but. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, well, maybe that's why they have a rule. Some places that you can't go down. Wow, that's a lot of water. Yeah, Brian got stuck. Yay! All right. 1, 2, 3. Woo! That's a little hard. Yep. All right. Here's the obligatory wave pool, like the obligatory lazy river. And you have bricks over here too. You can go on these fun little islands and build stuff. And there is a great white. I almost said mako like Stella's dad, but I believe that's a great white. This place reminds me of Wet n Wild. It's the old school type of water attractions, and it's rusting and could be looking better. But the problem is they built this place, or well, this they bought a park that's not near any other parks, so I can't imagine their attendance is fabulous. I mean, it's a great park, it's just could use some upgrades.
Today.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Shovel off.
Whoa. Shovel off. All right. Woo woo. Feet. Don't fail me now. Whoa! A little high there. Woo! Wow, we almost did. Jeez. Not really, but it felt. Woohoo! And over. Water up my nose. Alright, this might not work out because it's dark. But just imagine it being fun. Imagine like dragons.
Yay!
Woo!
Darkness! It doesn't eat me! All I see
Oars? Ooh, where?
they're all around the stage!
Oh, well, hey. What's your sock?
They're hard!
Yes! Float! Oh! Abandoned ship! Flying solo this time. Whoops. Woohoo! Backwards. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh. Whoa. Did not expect that one. And guess what? Oh. Whoa. This one's a little crazy. And giant splash. Ready? Mega sploosh. Oh, without the weight of Brian, it's not so bad. Don't tell him I said that. Now I've got no fingers left to turn off this almost good enough. Bricks! Yay! Now Brian, put on your floaties.
Okay. Hey Dave, watch this. Ow!
Ooh, this is actually, maybe it's because we've been in the cold. Oh, actually, yes, it got cold.
Now this is warm water.
Feels like it just got cooler. I don't know if it's because we've been in cold water. It feels warm now. What if you went up there and jumped it?
Then I'd be jumping the shark.
Oh. I hope this is not like as wavy as this wave pool gets. Because this is really ridiculous.
Hey Dave, what is this?
Legos? So we're enjoying the waveless pool, and I had a little bit to eat earlier. Oh, sorry.
Excuse you, Dave.
See, that's what makes this place good for us, because we're both children. This traps air, and they go like this, and
boom.
oops.
Splish splash.
Here, you try it,
Bubbles in
Brian.
the tub.
Did you have some chili before?
Yeah, excuse me.
Ah, jeez.
What? It's got chlorine.
Now we go into the Lego lab. And now we've been showing you little floaty Legos. These are actual Duplo Legos. And here's the larger version of it. You build your boat and you let it float. Or not float. Goes down to these channels. Once again, this water is really warm. I wish the pools were this warm. And pretty cool. There you go. Whoa! I'm glad I'm not on that boat.
We finally reached the bottom of the endless river.
Quick look at the surf shop. They have these little waterproof zipper bags, which I wouldn't trust. Bathing suits if you somehow forgot one. Although Tim actually just went to Volcano Bay and realized he forgot his bathing suit, so I guess it does happen. Water shoes, those are cool. I mean, in general, these I guess are comfortable. And that's pretty much just a little store.